this entire city was rebuilt to be perfect.
Perfectly planned and built from scratch.
And somehow, walking through it is still a bit of a mess.
Welcome to Noto.
Hi, we're Anya.
And Lucas.
And this is our channel,
Spark of Sicily.
We share our life and experiences in Sicily unfiltered.
Today we are visiting Noto, a city rebuilt from scratch. We will show you the beauty, the details, and the few things you really didn't expect.
We came here with our dog, which honestly was not the best idea.
We didn't really have a choice. We were coming from the other side of the island.
Yeah, but still, I didn't expect it to be this difficult.
It's just not easy to walk here.
Not in the usual Sicilian way where you just adjust slightly and it's fine.
Here you are actually in the road most of the time.
And we mean properly in between cars.
All the time.
Except the main street, Corso Vittorio Emanuele. That one is pedestrian, but the moment you turn anywhere else,
you are back with the cars, and with dog you just notice it way more. It's honestly a bit stressful.
Which is kind of ironic when you think about it. They literally rebuilt the whole city
from zero
and still didn't make it for walking.
I mean, when you look at it, who it was built for?
Yeah, this wasn't made for people casually wandering around with gelato.
Or walking their dog.
This was built for nobles, people arriving in carriages and not walking anywhere else.
You show up, you get out, you go inside.
So yeah, once you see it like that, it actually makes sense.
It's just not designed for how we use cities today.
But once you adjust, it's kind of okay.
Yeah, it's not dangerous anyway. The cars couldn't drive fast even if they wanted to.
The streets are simply too narrow. If you've seen our Catania video, you already know about the 1693 earthquake.
It was devastating for Sicily. It didn't just hit Noto.
It completely destroyed it.
The interesting choice here is that they didn't rebuild it.
At least not in the same place. Instead, they decided to move it.
A few kilometers away to safer ground.
And this is where it gets very interesting. They had a chance to design an entire city from scratch.
And they gave that job to architects like Rosario Gagliardi.
Which is why everything here feels intentional. The perfect definition of by design.
Same stone, same color, same style, and later earning the name of the Baroque capital of Sicily. Before we move forward, a small interruption. If Sicily is more than just a vacation for you,
we offer relocation consultations where we help you understand and navigate life on the island and make informed decisions about your move.
You can find more information on our website. Link is in the description and in our bio.
Okay, back to Noto. One thing you have to try here, almond everything.
But especially the gelato.
And let's be honest,
you have seen us eat gelato in almost every video.
So yes, at this point we are qualified gelato experts.
And this one?
This one was very good. Absolutely worth a try. If you have been following us for a while, you know we always say this about Sicily. Look up. Always look up.
And Noto is probably the place where that matters most.
After navigating the narrow streets and being beeped at for standing on the street admiring details of buildings, we realized, okay, this is the time we need to go.
Not metaphorically, literally this time. So we went up to the rooftop of Chiesa di San Carlo al Corso, across from the cathedral.
Already getting there is part of the experience. It's a tight spiral staircase that just keeps going and going and going.
At some point you even get a little bit dizzy, so if you are even a little bit claustrophobic, you will feel it. Maybe reconsider this one.
But then you step out and everything just opens.
That's when Noto finally reveals itself fully. From above, you start seeing all the details you miss from the ground.
Each building tells a story. It stops being just pretty and you start to fully see the intention behind it.
And I think that's the thing with Noto. You don't just walk through it, you have to look at it properly.
So yeah, moral of the story, when in Noto, don't just look up, go up. Alright, so that's Noto.
Bit more chaotic than we expected.
But absolutely worth it regardless. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate you being here. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more Sicily adventures. We post a new video every Thursday.
And if Sicily is becoming more than just a trip for you, we offer relocation consultations where we help you to understand how things actually work here.
Link is in the description and in our bio.
See you in the next one. Ciao!